So I'll take this one, the longest carbon chain, to be this one. Okay.
Yeah.
So you have to number the carbon atoms in this main sequence such as the substituent should be attached to the carbon atom with the least number. So which way should I start numbering? Should I start numbering from left to right or from right to left?
Sorry, can you repeat what you said earlier?
Yeah. So you will have to number carbon atoms such that this is the rule. So start at the end such that the groups attached to the chain will have the smallest number. So this is the group attached to the chain. Isn't it? The encircled one is the substituent group. Am I right?
Yeah, wait, sorry. Can I write this down quickly?
Sure. Okay. So now the numbering has to be done such that this substituent group should be attached to a carbon which has the smallest number. For example, you can have numbering like starting from left to right. First carbon, second, third and fourth. This is one way of numbering. Alright. In the second way, you start from the right end. So this is carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3 and carbon 4. So in which way does the substituent group get the smallest carbon number?
Right to left.
Right to left. So in the first case you had carbon number 3 that for the substituent group, but now it is 2. So you will have to number the carbon atoms in this order. So it is the substituent is placed at the second group. Alright?
Yeah.
Yeah, is Satharvam? Hello? Yeah.
Sorry.
Fine, no issues. We just started. Yeah, we are looking into how to name branched chain alkanes. A continuation of whatever we did earlier. Okay. Yeah. So the parent alkane has 4 carbon atoms. That is the longest chain. We have named it as butane. And in the second step, we have numbered the carbon atoms in the main sequence, and carbon atom 2 has the substituent group attached to it. So it is the substituent is present in the second position. Okay, carbon atom number 2. Now the third step is add numbers to the names of the substituent groups to identify their position on the chain. Now the substituent is attached to the second carbon. What is the name of the substituent? The substituent is CH3. What is the name given to that? How do you name a substituent? A substituent in this case is an alkyl group. An alkyl group contains one hydrogen short of the main alkane with so many carbon atoms. So what is the name of the alkane that contains just one carbon atom? What should be the parent alkane for CH3? CH3 is an alkyl group. Alright. It has to be derived from the alkane which contains just one carbon atom. So it is CH4. This is the alkane containing one carbon atom. So what is the name of CH4?
It's you have to wait 1 second. Let me look through my notes.
Yeah.
But CH4 is methane.
Yeah, it's methane. CH4 is methane. And if you remove one hydrogen from that, you will get the corresponding alkane. So you name it as methyl. Alright?
Oh, okay.
Okay, so that's how you name it. Okay. Now methyl is attached to the second carbon. So I name it as 2-methyl. Alright? 2-methyl. And the parent alkane is butane. Alright?
Yeah.
Yes, Atharva, is that fine?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I write this down?
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, you can write it. ஏன்பா அந்த சின்ன டப்பால சட்னி வச்சிருக்கேன், எடுத்துட்டு போயிருங்க மறக்காம.
அங்க.
Yeah, Atharva?
Almost done.
Okay. So the first step is identify the longest chain, give the name to that as the parent alkane, then number the sequence so that the carbon to which the substituent is attached will get the smallest number. And then you add, I mean, like you mentioned the position and the substituent. So it is the substituent is attached to the second carbon, and the name of the substituent is methyl. So it is 2-methyl butane. Okay. The next step is like you will use prefixes to indicate the appearance of same group more than once in the structural formula. So is there any repetition in this case? Are there any more substituents, more substituents?
Yeah.
How many substituents does this chain have?
3.
Substituent. This is the only substituent. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Substituent is a branch in that group. Okay. So in that molecule. So there's only one substituent. So you don't have to like rule number 4 is not going to apply to this case. And rule number 5 is also not going to apply, neither 6. So you will have the name as 2-methylbutane. So the last one you will have to like take into consideration. You will use commas to separate numbers and hyphens to separate numbers and words. So in this case there is only one number, so you just have one hyphen. In case you have more than one substituent, you will have two numbers coming in that place and more than one hyphens present. All right? Is that fine?
Yeah. Can I write this down?
Yeah. Ria wasn't present for the the very last class that we had. Weren't you present?
I wasn't.
Okay, fine. You can write this down. ஏன்பா லஞ்ச் கொண்டு வர மாமா? Okay. Yeah, fine.